boys and girls. I'm so glad that you've joined us for our fun in the kitchen. And we're going to have fun today, boys and girls. And I have some special helpers. I have Isaiah and Pei-Ying and Cadence and Carter. And guess what? I think you're going to like today's program. We're going to be making macaroni salad.
I know.
What?
Macaroni salad.
Yes, Pei-Ying. Who likes macaroni salad?
Me.
Oh.
I eat macaroni salad before.
You do? Well, now you're going to learn how to make it. But you know what? Look at the table. Carter, what are we missing?
Salad.
Oh, we're missing the macaroni. Could you get from Miss Cinda left it in the refrigerator? Could you get me the macaroni, please?
In a salad.
It's macaroni salad, isn't it? But we have to have the macaroni, huh?
And the veggies.
Oh, and veggies. Veggies are important, aren't they?
All the time, I eat veggies.
Thank you, Carter.
I eat veggies before.
You do? Okay, here's what I'm going to do, boys and girls. Can you throw that away from me, please? Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to give you half the macaroni, and then I'll give Carter and Cadence half the macaroni. Well, that's a lot of macaroni. I hope you guys are hungry.
Me too. I'm hungry.
You're hungry?
Me too. Yeah.
Well, let's give you a little bit more. Let's give you a little bit more. And boys and girls, you can just have fun and watch and see how we're making this. And you can go to our website later, our Tiny Tot website, and you can get the recipe.
I already have a recipe.
You do. Okay, I wanted to show you. Who can tell me what this is?
Pepper. Pepper. Pepper.
What kind of
Red
pepper?
bean.
Ah, yes.
Just like your apron.
Very good, Carter. What's this?
Celery.
And
green.
you know, yes, green. And who knows what just one piece of celery is called?
Look, it's much. I got green.
You do, Cadence. What's just one piece of celery called? Do you know? A stalk of celery. That's when you see a recipe and it says a stalk, that's just one piece of celery. That's a stalk of celery.
Could I eat one?
Well, I've got some already chopped up for you, but now, boys and girls, only do this if an adult is helping you, but who wants to learn how to grate a carrot?
Me.
Okay, let Miss Cinda, I'm going to cut the top off, and and the end. Cut the top and the end off, and I'm going to peel it.
The bad skin.
Well, actually, you know what? I could go over to the sink over there and wash it because the skin's actually, Miss Cinda eats the skin. Do you know that? Yeah, I wash it, but I like to scrub it real good when I do that.
My turtle eats the skin too.
Oh, your turtle does. Okay, so look, this is what we do. But you want to hold it high because what's going to happen if you get your finger?
It's going to hurt.
Oh, it will hurt, won't it? So we got to be, you want to try it, Pei-Ying?
Yeah.
We got to be very, very careful because you don't want to get your skin. Good job. Good job. Okay, let's let Isaiah try it.
I want to try one more time.
Well, we'll see. We'll see if we have time. Here, you know what? Let me go like this because that's going to be kind of hard to do. Very good, Isaiah. So you want a back and forth motion. Good job. Okay, let's let Cadence try. And Cadence, would you like to try? Okay, hold it up high. Good job. Want me to help you? Here, hold it with this hand. Okay, and hold it up high, and Miss Cinda will help you. Ready? Watch. Look what you're doing! Look! Is that fun? Yes? Shall we let Carter try it? Okay, Carter, you try it. Be very careful, Carter. Good job. That's not too hard, is it?
I want to
But
try.
anytime we're cooking, we have to be careful of what we're doing, huh?
I want to try again.
You want to try one more time? Okay, one more time, Pei-Ying, and then we got to get our salad mixed up. Because Miss Cinda's already grated carrots for you because I knew this was going to take a little bit of time. Good job! Okay. Okay, boys and girls, now what you're going to do is I want you to, your carrots, so I've already grated them. Girls, you, Cadence and Pei-Ying, you can put your carrots in. Put your carrots in. And boys, can you measure out, let me read the recipe, because when you're cooking, sometimes you don't need a recipe and sometimes you need a recipe. But really, for this, you probably don't have to have a recipe. You don't have to be real careful because you can add in whatever you like, okay? But for this, I have measured, I didn't measure them out, but put in, boys, 2 cups apiece. Good job! You can put the carrots in. You can just dump it in if you want, because those are already measured for you. And then, girls, you can dump the, what's this? What did I say? Yes.
Which cup?
Oh, find the cup that has a 1 on it.
Is it this one?
Very good. And when you're measuring, good job. When you're measuring, what do you want to, when you're filling your cup or your teaspoon or tablespoon, how do you do it?
Cinda, look what I'm doing.
You want to make it sure it's full, right?
Yeah.
Right. You don't want to just kind of partially do it. You want to make sure it's full. Okay? You getting your carrots in there? You want to measure your carrots, huh? That's okay. You can do it. Because we want to have fun when we're cooking, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, you got that done? You guys got your peas done? You have 2 cups in there? That looks like 1 cup to me, Carter. You have 2 cups in yours. Okay, now Pei-Ying, you can put our...
Tomatoes.
No, that's not tomatoes.
Pepper.
Very good. Put your red pepper in.
Yay.
And you can put in, let me see, this is our chopped dill pickle. Just put in 3/4 of a cup. So you can put in 1/2 a cup and let Pei-Ying put in 1/4 a cup. Pei-Ying, can you find your 1/4 cup? Do you remember what a 4 looks like? Remember Miss Cinda showed you? What's a 4 look like? Well, this is a 4, isn't it? Okay, let's look on our cup and find a 4. Do you see the 4 right there? Yeah, that's a 4th. Okay, you got your peas?
Cinda, I don't think I really like those.
You don't want, and you know what, boys and girls? If there's something you don't like, you don't have to add it. Carter doesn't want the dill pickle. You don't have to add the dill pickle.
Could I?
Yes, you want to fill up your 1/4?
Yeah.
Okay, fill up your cup. Here, I'm going to put the rest of those in. And I'll move this for you guys.
Whoa.
Okay? How are you doing over here, Cadence?
Dad?
Okay, do you want to put red pepper in yours? No? Do you want to put broccoli in there? Who likes broccoli?
Me.
What do you like?
I like broccoli too.
Okay, then let's put it in, Shul. That's like, okay, Carter, you
Dump
can
it
put that
all
in. Do if you guys like broccoli, then Isaiah, you can put broccoli in. And who likes black olives?
Me.
Do you like black olives? Well, you know what? We can let Carter put his in on his plate when he eats his, okay? He won't mix it in yours. So, Carter, just add it when I give you some to eat, okay? Okay, you want to mix your bowl up, mix your ingredients now?
I put one.
You put one in? Okay, that's enough then.
No.
Okay? Let Miss Cinda take it. Now you guys stir it up. You gotta be careful. Be real careful. Stir it up.
Dump all the carrots.
Pickle.
Well, oh, you want the olives in there. That's right. You guys like olives, right?
Uh-huh.
Oh, Miss Cinda likes olives too.
Me too.
You want to put the celery in? Okay, I'll take this. You can put the celery in. Good job, Candace. Okay. Oh, we need to get it all, don't we? Because we don't want to waste good vegetables. We want to make sure we put it all in. Good job. Oh, that's okay. What does Miss Cinda say about messes?
We have fun cleaning it up.
That's right, Isaiah. It's okay to make a mess in the kitchen. We just have fun cleaning it up, huh?
Yes. When I in my kitchen, I make a mess and I clean it up.
Oh, good. Okay, now we need, Uh-oh, what did I forget? What do we need? We need Veggies. Isaiah, can you get Veggies? Miss Cinda left that in the refrigerator.
Yes. Silly Miss Cinda.
What was I thinking? Actually, grapeseed Veggies needs to stay cold. So I didn't really forget. It needs to be cold. Thank you.
All the time my mommy forgot the Veggies.
Oh, kitchen timer. That's our kitchen timer. We have to hurry up, boys and girls. We're almost out of time. Okay, put your Veggies in. And here, let's put a little bit of, this is Veggies. You want to sprinkle just a little bit in? Don't sprinkle a lot. Just sprinkle a little bit. Okay, we can do a little bit more. We can sprinkle it right on there. You want to sprinkle a little bit in?
Okay.
And then stir it up really good, and I'll get some spoons. That's good. That's good. I'll get some spoons and plates, and you guys can taste it.
Yummy!
Who wants to taste it? All right. Let me find some spoons and some forks. And
I'm eating one carrot.
are you eating a carrot? And let me get you guys some plates. I'll get some little plates. Oh, good. Okay, let Miss Cinda help you, and then you can taste it. How about that? You see how you can use two? See, boys and girls? Look how easy when you use two like this.
Why are you giving me?
Okay, who wants to taste it?
Me? Why are you stirring the Veggies?
Oh, because we want to stir it up. That's our macaroni salad.
That's mine.
Oh, that's yours? Okay.
I got a pink spoon.
Oh, good.
Where's my spoon?
There you go.
Where's
Okay.
my spoon?
Would you like to taste it?
Where's my spoon, Miss Cinda?
Oh, here, how about this one? Thank you, Cadence. Here, would you like to taste this?
Yes. Good, Miss Cinda.
There you go.
Miss
Taste
Cinda,
that.
that's a kitchen time.
Oh, that's all the time we have for now. Boys and girls, you can make this at home and then you can taste it. And remember, boys and girls, anytime you can be in the kitchen, it's fun.